Learn Gujarati from English, even if sentences with
ભલે.
Welcome to Gujarati. Hey, you're here, and that already counts as progress. Today you'll learn how to say strong, useful, even if ideas in Gujarati without sounding like a confused toaster. Our 5 target sentences are your stars today. First.
ભલે તે ફોન કરે, એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
Second.
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય, અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
Third.
ભલે આપણે ઉતાવળ કરીએ, તો પણ સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
Fourth.
જો તમે સાચા હોવ તો પણ સમસ્યા યથાવત રહે છે.
Fifth.
ભલે બધું સારું ચાલે, અમને સમય જોઈએ.
You'll hear them in stories, drills, and a tiny comedy of human struggle. Your pattern today. Before we jump into the fun, grab the core idea. Gujarati often uses
ભલે.
for, even if, and sometimes
તો પણ.
for, still, or even then. Think of
ભલે.
as your brave little language umbrella. Rain, drama, ringing phones? Still useful. Example.
ભલે તે ફોન કરે.
Means, even if he calls. Example.
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય.
Means, even if it is difficult. Example.
ભલે આપણે ઉતાવળ કરીએ, તો પણ.
Builds the idea, even if we hurry, still. Sometimes the sentence starts with
જો.
meaning, if, as in.
જો તમે સાચા હોવ તો પણ.
Even if you are right. And a very useful chunk for patience is
સમય જોઈએ.
need time. Scene 1. The dramatic phone call. Picture this. A phone rings like it's auditioning for a soap opera. But you? Calm. Legendary. Mildly annoyed. Your line is
ભલે તે ફોન કરે, એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
in English. Even if he calls, that changes nothing. Say the first part.
ભલે તે ફોન કરે,
Now the second part.
એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
Imagine a chicken answering the phone very seriously. The chicken gasps. The chicken listens. The chicken nods. And then the universe replies.
એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
Beautiful. Useless call. Excellent Gujarati. Scene 2. Hard road, stubborn people. Now we move from phone drama to heroic struggle. Basically, the motivational movie trailer in your head starts now. Say it with determination.
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય, અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
In English, even if it is difficult, we continue. Useful word.
મુશ્કેલ.
Means difficult. Useful chunk.
અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
Means we continue, literally moving forward. Imagine a tired turtle putting on sneakers and whispering.
અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
Is the turtle fast? No. Is the turtle inspiring? Weirdly, yes. Scene 3. We are late, obviously. This section is for every human who has ever said, I'm leaving in 2 minutes, while still looking for one sock. So, all of us. Your target sentence is
ભલે આપણે ઉતાવળ કરીએ, તો પણ સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
in English. Even if we hurry, it will be close. Key word.
ઉતાવળ.
Means hurry. Key phrase.
સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
Means time will be tight. Imagine you run so fast that your shoes begin negotiating with the ground. The clock looks at you and says, in perfect Gujarati,
સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
rude clock, accurate clock. Scene 4. Congratulations, you are right. Ah yes, the classic human victory, winning the argument. And the classic human tragedy, the problem is still sitting there, eating snacks. Say this calmly.
જો તમે સાચા હોવ તો પણ સમસ્યા યથાવત રહે છે.
In English, even if you are right, the problem remains.
સાચા.
Means right or correct.
સમસ્યા.
Means problem.
યથાવત રહે છે.
Means remains as it is. Picture yourself winning a debate against a cat. You present facts. You present logic. The cat still sits on your keyboard. Result?
સમસ્યા યથાવત રહે છે.
Scene 5. Good news, slow news. Finally, let's learn the sentence for when things go well, but not magically, instantly, glitter explosion well. Progress still needs time. Here is the full phrase.
ભલે બધું સારું ચાલે, અમને સમય જોઈએ.
In English, even if everything goes well, we need time.
બધું
Means everything.
સારું ચાલે.
Means goes well.
અમને સમય જોઈએ.
Means we need time. Imagine a giant snail in a business tie giving a project update. Everything is excellent. Also,
અમને સમય જોઈએ.
single quote. Honestly, that snail sounds like a very responsible manager. Quick comparison drill. Now let's sharpen your ear. I'll give you the English idea, then the Gujarati. Listen for the concession pattern. Even if he calls, that changes nothing.
ભલે તે ફોન કરે, એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
Even if it is difficult, we continue.
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય, અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
Even if we hurry, it will be close.
ભલે આપણે ઉતાવળ કરીએ, તો પણ સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
Even if you are right, the problem remains.
જો તમે સાચા હોવ તો પણ સમસ્યા યથાવત રહે છે.
Even if everything goes well, we need time.
ભલે બધું સારું ચાલે, અમને સમય જોઈએ.
Mini dialogue theater. Time for tiny dialogues. Imagine voices, expressions, and at least one person being way too dramatic for the situation. A. He might call tonight. B.
ભલે તે ફોન કરે, એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
A. This is really hard. B.
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય, અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
A. Can we still catch the train? B.
ભલે આપણે ઉતાવળ કરીએ, તો પણ સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
A. I proved I was correct. B.
જો તમે સાચા હોવ તો પણ સમસ્યા યથાવત રહે છે.
A. The project is going great. B.
ભલે બધું સારું ચાલે, અમને સમય જોઈએ.
Say it with me. Now you speak. Out loud if you can. Whispering also counts. Thinking it dramatically definitely counts. Repeat.
ભલે તે ફોન કરે, એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
Repeat.
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય, અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
Repeat.
ભલે આપણે ઉતાવળ કરીએ, તો પણ સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
Repeat.
જો તમે સાચા હોવ તો પણ સમસ્યા યથાવત રહે છે.
Repeat.
ભલે બધું સારું ચાલે, અમને સમય જોઈએ.
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let's see what stuck. No pressure. Well, a little pressure. The funny kind. How do you say, even if he calls, that changes nothing?
ભલે તે ફોન કરે, એથી કંઈ બદલાતું નથી.
How do you say, even if it is difficult, we continue?
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય, અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.
How do you say, even if we hurry, it will be close?
ભલે આપણે ઉતાવળ કરીએ, તો પણ સમય ટૂંકો પડશે.
How do you say, even if you are right, the problem remains?
જો તમે સાચા હોવ તો પણ સમસ્યા યથાવત રહે છે.
How do you say, even if everything goes well, we need time?
ભલે બધું સારું ચાલે, અમને સમય જોઈએ.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced 5 rich Gujarati sentences that sound thoughtful, natural, and very useful in real life. Today you learned how to express, even if, ideas in Gujarati with phrases like
ભલે, તો પણ,
and full sentences such as
ભલે બધું સારું ચાલે, અમને સમય જોઈએ.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, come back to these lines again, and let your Gujarati grow step by step, even if it feels difficult. Yes, exactly.
ભલે તે મુશ્કેલ હોય, અમે આગળ વધીએ છીએ.